All right, bolt here, 2 bolts here, 7mm again. And there's where they go. You can see I've got this pulled out of there. It's still nice and new and fresh and flexible. And you can see that helps a little bit. Things just moving out of the way. So I'm holding the camera with one hand and trying to pull this bulb out with the other. It's a little tricky, so that's why I like the tire off, because I got a lot of arm room right now, and I could actually get 2 hands in here, which I did do to get the bulb out. It is just a friction fit bulb. There's the tab you can push to release if you want to get it out, or if the socket's bad and you need to replace it.